At Build on Your Land, we believe building your dream home should feel exciting, not stressful. It all starts with a personal consultation where we sit down together, talk about your goals, and find the floor plan that fits your family, your budget, and your land just right. From there, we'll guide you through pre-construction and site prep, getting everything in place for what's ahead, the start of your home's journey. Then comes the foundation and framing, that amazing moment when you can finally see your home begin to take shape. Our skilled team handles all the behind-the-scenes essentials, plumbing, wiring, and installations, making sure everything's done with care and precision so your home stands strong for years to come. As the walls go up and cabinets are installed, your vision starts to shine through. You'll see how each room connects and how the details make it uniquely yours. When it's time for finishes and details, the magic really happens. Colors, fixtures, and those personal touches come together to transform a house into your home. Finally, we reach the last step: inspections, walkthroughs, and delivery. We'll review every detail together, make any final tweaks, and then comes the best part: handing you the keys to your brand new home. From that very first meeting to move-in day, Build on Your Land is right beside you. Because building your dream home should feel every bit as good as living in it.